I'm so excited to go in the washing machine. Yeah.
Are you dirty, Bear? Have you got grass on you?
Yeah, I'm so dirty. Dirty.
Got this bear in the washing machine.
Yeah, it's quite funny.
Do you think he's going to be okay?
I don't think so.
The machine goes round and round.
What's let us going back and forth?
That's the way it cleans, Nikki. Rinsing. It says rinse.
Dizzy.
Okay, he's still in the rinse cycle, but he's spinning. Can I see Nikki?
What's wrong?
A spinning bear. What's he doing up there?
He climbed up there.
And Nikki, is he smelling any better these days?
Yeah, I think he's gonna jump.
Okay. I guess this washing machine's quite tough if you're standing on it.
What's so tough?
Like, strong. Okay, don't press any buttons.
Okay.
Bye.